Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where we help you build wealth, no matter your age. Are you a teen looking to make money fast? In this video, we'll share practical and creative ways teens can start earning money quickly, whether you're saving for something big or building your financial foundation. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on making money and growing your wealth. 1. Start freelancing and offer your skills as a teen. One of the fastest ways to make money is by freelancing. If you have a particular skill such as writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, or web development, you can offer your services online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to create profiles and start bidding on projects right away. 2. Babysitting or pet sitting. Babysitting and pet sitting are classic ways for teens to earn money fast. Many parents and pet owners are willing to pay good money for trustworthy and reliable sitters. You can start by offering your services to family members, friends, or neighbors and ask them to refer you to others. Use platforms like Care.com or Rover to expand your reach. 3. Start an online store. Starting an online store, particularly on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Depop, is another way to make money fast. If you have a passion for crafting, vintage clothing, or reselling items, setting up an online shop can generate quick income. For example, you could sell handmade jewelry, art, clothes, or collectibles. You can also resell popular items that you can purchase in bulk for a lower price and sell for a profit. 4. Offer lawn care or yard work services. Offering lawn care or yard work services is an easy and profitable way for teens to make money. Many homeowners need help with mowing lawns, raking leaves, trimming bushes, or weeding gardens, and you can charge a good hourly rate for these services. This is especially lucrative in the spring and summer months when outdoor work is most needed. 5. Take online surveys or participate in market research. While not a huge moneymaker, participating in online surveys or market research can help you make some quick cash. Many companies are looking for teen opinions to shape their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your time. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research pay users to complete surveys, watch videos, or test products. 6. Start a YouTube channel or TikTok account. If you have a talent or passion, whether it's gaming, beauty, fashion, or comedy, you can create content on YouTube or TikTok and monetize your channel. Teens can earn money from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing once they've built a sizable following. While it may take time to build an audience, you can start earning money fast by creating viral content or capitalizing on current trends. 7. Sell your photos or artwork. If you're good at photography or art, you can sell your creations online. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock allow you to upload your photos and earn money whenever someone purchases them for commercial use. Similarly, if you create original artwork, you can sell prints or digital versions on sites. As a teen, this can be a great way to turn your passion into a profitable side hustle. 8. Offer social media management services. Many small businesses or individuals need help managing their social media accounts but can't afford a full-time social media manager. If you're familiar with Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and other social platforms, you can offer to help others grow their online presence by creating content, engaging with followers. Many small business owners or influencers are willing to pay for someone who can maintain an active social media presence for them. 9. Run errands or offer personal assistance. Running errands for busy individuals is another fast way to make money as a teen. Many people need help with simple tasks like picking up groceries, returning items, or walking their dogs, and they're willing to pay for your assistance. You can advertise your services on platforms like TaskRabbit or simply through word of mouth to people in your community. 10. Tutoring or teaching a skill. If you excel in a particular subject at school or have a skill like playing an instrument, coding, or speaking a second language, tutoring is an excellent way to make money quickly. Parents are often willing to pay teens who can help their children with schoolwork, particularly in subjects like math, science, or English. Making money as a teen is all about smart choices and hustle. Which money-making idea will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this video helped you find ways to earn fast, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building wealth, saving, and making money as a young entrepreneur. Keep hustling and building your financial future.